My name is Zahra Naqvi and I'm SM in charge of Shah Wilayat Public School Campus 2. Today, the team of The Mighty Stationery, they came to our school, and in the primary section, which I am heading, we have conducted an art competition, which was a very fruitful activity. I really appreciate, as you can see at my back, the wonderful creativity that was showcased by the students of grade 4s and 5s. It was a free hand painting. They were not given any assigned targets, but they did it on their own. Such activities provoke students to bring their inner talent out, and also it helps other students to be motivated. I really appreciate the team of The Mighty to arrange this wonderful, amazing, healthy activity for our students, and it has to be a continuous part. Thank you very much for being here, and thank you very much for giving them the vouchers and the gifts that you have given. Thank you so much.
It was Shah Wilayat Public School Campus 2, and the competition was conducted from grade 6s till grade 8s. I think the experience was very good, and The Mighty, they have really good products, and the way they have conducted the competition and the way our students have participated, it was really good, and our students also enjoyed a lot. And a big thank you to Mighty for providing us this opportunity for us and for our students, so they may be able to go on the next platform or any other platform where they can win as well.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम हिबा बतूला, मैं शाह विलायत में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं 6 से 1 क्लास में हूँ और इधर माइट्री का एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम हुआ था और इसमें बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने हिस्सा लिया था और इसमें मैंने भी एक पोजीशन हासिल करी।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सैयदा रबाब बतूल है और यहाँ माइटी वालों ने अपना कंपटीशन रखा था आर्ट्स का, और हम लोगों ने यहाँ इस कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लिया। इस कंपटीशन में हमें अपनी आर्ट्स दिखानी थी और मैंने इस कंपटीशन में पोजीशन हासिल किया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।